1, 2. Rehearsal. Just the sound. Sounds okay. Let's see. Tonight I celebrate my love for you. It seems the natural thing to do. Tonight no one's gonna find us when we go beyond us. When I'm in love to you, tonight I celebrate my love for you and hold deep inside you'll feel it too. Tonight our spirits will be climbing to a sky lit up with diamonds. When I make love to you tonight, yeah. Tonight I celebrate my love for you, and that midnight sun is gonna come shining through. Tonight there'll be no distance between us. What I want more to do is to get close to you tonight. Tonight I celebrate my love for you, and soon this old world will seem brand new. Tonight we will both discover how friends turn into lovers. When I make love to you tonight, I'll celebrate my love for you, and the midnight sun is gonna come shining through. Tonight there'll be no distance between us. When I want most to do is to get close to you. Tonight I celebrate my love for you. Tonight. Sounds okay. Oh, maybe some more reverb. That's it.